People are always asking me, when's the best time to visit Italy? Well, let's face it, there's no wrong time, but one time that you'll really enjoy is Easter, or Pasqua in Italian. Here's the rundown. On Holy Thursday, the Pope holds a Mass where he washes the feet of 12 priests, imitating Jesus during the Last Supper. On Good Friday, the Pope very dramatically leads the Stations of the Cross in the Colosseum. On Holy Saturday, there's a celebration for all the people who have converted to Catholicism. And Easter Sunday itself, the Pope celebrates a huge public Easter Mass in St. Peter's Square. After Mass, Italians celebrate with a feast of lamb, spring vegetables, and the traditional Easter pie, pizza rustica. And Monday after Easter is La Pasquetta, a national holiday. If you want to visit Rome for Easter, join one of our tours during that period, or we'll help you create your own Italy trip on ItalyVacations.com.